Hey guys, welcome to America Outdoors. Thanks for tuning in. It's all about getting outside and having fun. Today we're going to make an air cannon, spud gun, whatever you want to call it. Alright, we're making a PVC air cannon. Got a 4-inch PVC pipe. We're going to neck it down into 2-inch, into my 1.25-inch ball valve. It's going to come out my barrel. This is a 3/4-inch barrel. I got my end cap, my Schrader valve on it. The only thing I'm worried about right now is the threads. Not sure if I'm going to be able to get those airtight. I do have Teflon tape for my threads, so let's get after it. Alright, I got my nifty bicycle pump here. We're going to pump this bad boy up and see what we get out of it. If it doesn't hold air pressure, I'm going to have to do what's called a soap and blow. See where we're losing our air pressure at. Uh-oh. I got a leak somewhere. Alright guys, I got a little leak, so we're going to do what's called a soap and blow. We'll get some dish soap, some water, pour it around our joints, and look for bubbles. And wherever the bubbles come out, is where our leak's at. You can hear it starting. Yeah, right there's our leak. See the bubbles? Mm-hmm. And the bubbles right there? Yep. We gotta clean this up and fix that leak. Let's see if there's another leak. Well, it's all through here, so we're gonna take this apart and glue it together. All right, we'll give that a minute to dry. All right, hey guys, I didn't realize my camera died on me when I was shooting this, but here's the air cannon. I had a couple leaks, so I had to use some JB Weld to patch up these leaks. Not sure if you can see that. Couple leaks there, you can't really unglue this thing, so we got it. We got the air compressor set up. We got my little projectile we're gonna put down, just a piece of paper towel taped up. We're gonna shove that down the barrel. We're gonna charge this up, and we're gonna shoot it down the street and hopefully not hit anything. So, all right, we're gonna charge this thing up. Go up to 70 psi. Got a little air leak. There we go. Let's go up to 80. All right, the 80. And last time we shot it, we got it to that big tree. So, you ready? Here it goes. Just shy of that big tree, but there's no weight behind it. And we're gonna go get it and shoot a few more times. We're gonna aim it. Hold on, we're gonna come right over here and we're gonna aim it right past the camera and we're gonna shoot. Heck yeah.
Alright, let's go find it. It went over by the plant stand. The plant swap. I think if we put some weight behind it, it should go 100, 150 yards maybe. All this thing is just a piece of paper towel with some tape around it. That's it. Right there. Shot from all the way over there by the, oh, right there by the truck. That's about 50 yards.
Go. Hey guys, if you made it this far, help me out. Mash that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos. Have a good day.